What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? Alright man, so today we're about to be heading out to Hexa. We got some new injectors that are gonna be going on the SC300. About to get this thing back together and fired up. Got my guy Lawrence getting ready to do some tuning this weekend on it. So the OG SC300 will be coming home Friday. And then we should be tuning on Saturday. And then I think on Sunday, I'll be at the house, working on that thing in the garage, solo bolo, finishing everything up and getting it damn near just ready for some drifting. So that is the agenda for the next couple of days. But today we go to Hexa, we get this thing fired back up, make sure everything's good and running. That way we finish up the finalization of everything and we hit the dyno, man. So yeah, looking forward to having this thing running again. About to be the OG car on the channel. And you guys know that that is my new drift car. So without dragging out the intro, taking hella long, it's early. I'm about to be in this commute. Probably gonna take about an hour, 30 minutes to get there. But let's get the Hexa, get on with the day. Injector sitting right there in front of the Supra. Let's have a good time. I used to have 22s on here. Oh, fuck, I hate this drive. What's up, fool?
It's not easy, traffic.
It's cool, it's just hella long. Oh, my calves hurt.
Did you gym this morning or what?
Nah, I didn't go this morning.
You got 8?
Yeah, I'm keeping 2 though. So the dog, how you doing? How you been?
Good.
Cool. Alright, here we go. Pretty much home stretch of this thing. Home stretch of this shit. Also, what I got scheduled for Janky is we're redoing this piping and shit. It's like touching there, so this is gonna be getting redone. But getting ready to swap these injectors in. Thought you were pulling the injectors off already, nigga.
Nope.
This thing could be lying.
Didn't get to it.
All right, so the other injectors that came, which are the 1650s, they have this little. Where's it at? This was already done. Where's the other one? Right here. Has a little cap right here, so I'm pretty much just breaking these off. That way we can use this other little fucking O-ring thing, but gotta break these off because it wouldn't fit in with these O-rings in there.
Does it come off in one piece or are you breaking it off?
You gotta bend it to get it off that lip. I mean, technically I'm pretty sure I can grab it right here and slide it off, but I don't want to fuck up the tip of the injector, so I'm just doing it this way.
Number 6. You can get down to the bottom.
If I can put a slit in this thing.
Abuelo, pásame una navaja. Where? Right there in the
There
green
we go.
thing.
Yeah, this works way easier.
Green, the shiny stuff. It's not the green stuff. To the right. It's one of those drawers. One of those little like pockets.
There we go. Voila. Kind of nicked this one. Let me see a little file. It's a little one.
Where's your neck at?
Nigga, just give me a file. I don't need your supervision.
I'm just saying, it should be fine.
I don't want to cut the O-ring, so I'd rather just file it smooth.
The O-ring?
Look, right here. Feel this. No, it slides the little plastic piece, slides, or the rubber piece.
No, because I was going to...
No, right here. Feel this.
You want a file or a little piece of metal?
Nah, let me see. It works easier with the cutter.
Is that piece of metal staying in there?
Hmm?
Is that a ridge or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little piece of sandpaper. You want a little piece of sandpaper instead, Mike, or you want like a file?
A little piece of sandpaper will work. There we go. It's way easier with the cutter on there.
What are you trying to do?
Just need to file this real quick. Just want to smooth it right here. It's like a tiny little lip. It's gonna be quick. Just want to smooth it. All right, fuel rail back on, new injectors in, 1000 cc's replaced, 1650s in there, intake getting ready to go back on. We got Diego over here hitting the door seals. Ooh, that's gonna be close.
It's gonna be tight right here. We'll see. I'll see what I'll do.
This is the bumper you don't want on here, right?
Which one?
You want?
No, we keeping that rear bumper, these side skirts coming off, and then we doing the OG front bumper. We're gonna do
The other one.
the other one.
Okay. These side skirts coming off?
Huh?
These are coming off?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing the full complete old kit.
Okay. Cool.
All right, man. I'm so glad we found this. This shit's been lost for like the last year and a half.
5 years.
Shit's been gone for hella long. We couldn't find it, but thank God I found it. This is actually the first of these like buggy shift knobs that I had. Like you literally can't get these no more. This is the first one. It's my first little collector's. Going back in here. All right, man. So the car is pretty much buttoned back up, almost there. Wheels went back on the car. Fuel stuff all done. Need to go in here, add a wire for the fuel pumps and stuff now. But other than that, it's damn near ready. Almost ready to come back down on the ground. Still got hella shit to do to this thing, but at least it's about to be hitting the ground. I'm gonna hit D's guy up to see if he can come by, install all the window trims again, put the new ones in, a new front windshield in. Other than that, brakes need to be bred. Hydraulic handbrake needs to be bled. I got a dual caliper setup coming for this thing, so I need to get another set of rear calipers. That way we can run the dual caliper setup and then get the lines and all that shit ran. But yeah, getting there. We're almost ready for fire up or what? Got to run the line?
Just one wire.
This is all back together?
Yeah, I gotta rewire this. Just the wire.
Alright, so I was thinking about putting the OG kit on, but I think I'm going to leave this kit on here. Now with the wheels on, it on the ground, kind of get a better idea what the car looks like with the kit on. I think it looks good. It looks nice and aggressive. Kind of fits because it's a drift car, so might as well keep it on the aggressive side. Actually looks good now. But I do think I'm going to keep the OG bumper that I had on here with the single exhaust exit. KB they didn't offer this kit at the time because this is the prototype. They didn't offer it with the single exit, which I'm pretty sure they do now, but I didn't like the rear bumper too much. I think it looks better like this, with the smoother ass, aggressive sides, and aggressive front. I felt like the rear was hella too aggressive to fit the rest of the kit, so I think I'm gonna just rock it like this instead. All right, carbon dash coming out right now. But yeah, just kind of what it looks like. Hood closed. Kind of has this big ass gap right here because the bumper needs to go up that way. But what the fuck ever, you know, drift car. Literally no fucks given about this car no more.
This one. Wire it here. Pretty dry back here. Okay.
Do it one more time. Still sound like there's air in the system.
One more time, buddy. I'll run the pumps. I just want to. You can leave it on.
What's that?
You can leave the ignition on.
All right, no leaks, no leaks. New injectors in. Getting ready to upload the file. Getting suggested for the 1650s.
I'm gonna run the fuel pump real quick.
Go ahead. Just keep it running. I'll check, make sure. We're looking dry up here.
Alright, hey Mike, can you give me TPS?
Ready?
Yeah.
Is that 100?
100.
0?
Yep.
100?
Yep.
Was that like 50?
80, 78, 44.
Alright.
You want some?
Did you sync the timing yet or no?
No, we'll do that right now.
Yeah, let's make sure that's synced before we fire it up.
Want to grab the timing light, buddy? Por favor.
Here we go. First start. Dead battery watch. I don't think we ever started this car without a dead battery.
I'm calling it. Dead battery.
Huh? I'll fire right up. She's alive. That sounds better. I think it's running on all 6 now, yeah.
Alright, Benny, I'm gonna lock it.
Yeah, y'all deal with the timing.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock it.
Smooth. Yup. Smooth, no smoke. Hell yeah. The fuck was that?
You shut it down?
No, I ain't touched shit. This cord moved, maybe? That?
I don't think so.
I literally didn't touch it.
Start it up again.
Now it sounds like it's running funny, huh? What the fuck? When you switched the injectors, did you save it or no? It sounds like it's running hella funny now.
Start.
Sorry, I pressed on accident. I smell electricity.
Don't say that.
Well, it's not my fault. I can smell it.
Yeah, let's cool down that.
I know you.
Cool down. Bitch, it was running for not even 4 minutes.
No. I'm gonna look at the log. Let's see what happened. Shut off the first time.
You see what happened was.
Alright, it's back running on all 6 again. Timing synced up.
Turn the key, Benny.
Just did a smoke test, make sure there's no vacuum leaks. Everything checked out. We do got some boost leaks coming from the boost clamps, but the O-rings aren't in there, so we're gonna be swapping all the O-rings in later in a little bit. But yeah, let's get this thing fired back up. And it does have a high idle right now, but they clean that up with some tuning. What is the idling at? 18? 17? Fucking alive. Officially. feeling normal now. Just needed to be revved a couple times. Huh?
That was crazy. It's running a little rich.
It's hella smooth now. We'll hook up the BTI gauge back up too. Make sure all that's working. Where are we idling at? We should be at like 900,000? 700? Okay, it's hella low. Sounds good. Give it a couple revs for me from the front, George. Why my turbo stopped spinning? So why the turbo ain't spinning? I don't like that. One more from the back. Fans already turned on. Fans are on right now. Couple more things to button up and we good. All right, one last little look real quick. Decided to put the OG original kit back on here. Just to sit it up there to kind of figure out which kit I like better. This is definitely more like low key and smooth, but the other kit is more aggressive. What do y'all think? This kit or the other kit? I need y'all opinions on this one. OG or the new kit? Drop them down below and we'll tally up the votes and see.